Good morning. Bulls could extend Tuesday's rally thanks to the Federal Reserve's move to do nothing on its ultra-loose monetary policy. What's more, the US Central Bank has offered a more optimistic assessment on the state of the labor market. European stocks finished higher, extending gains late in the session after Standard & Poor's said that Greece was on track to meet its near-term budget goals. Asian markets are mostly higher this morning. It's a no-brainer that given the slightly optimistic global cues, the Indian markets too will advance further. Whether it will close up or not is anybody's guess. It's best to do nothing with the stocks that you hold now. The Nifty could take a shot at 5,300 in the near term, provided global markets remain firm. However, it may take a while for it to reach 5,300. On the way down, strong support is now seen at 5,100. One cause of concern of late has been the low traded volumes and the constant selling by local funds. At the same time, volatility remains pretty low. One may see the main indices consolidate in a range of between 5,100 to 5,300. The Finance Ministry has circulated a proposal that aims to ask state-run banks to exit non-core businesses, notably insurance, to force greater capital efficiency and ensure that periodic capital infusion into them goes into increasing the spread of banking rather than propping up money-losing ventures. The government has asked the 5 telecom operators Bharti Airtel, Vodafone, Tata, BSNL and Reliance Communications to give their accounting details for 3 years 2006-2007 to 2008-2009 to the Controller and Auditor General of India. Relicare Enterprises has decided to set up an asset management, sales and distribution business in Japan and has hired a team from KBC Financial Products for the same. PFC to pick up 25% stake in power projects. Moving on to the recommendations. Jayashree Tea, traders are advised to buy the stock in between a range of Rs 339 to Rs 342 and maintain a stop loss at Rs 332 for a target price of Rs 358. Mercator Lines, we recommend traders to buy the stock for a short-term target of Rs 65 with a stop loss of Rs 56 at current market price of Rs 59. On the derivatives end, we have long Tata Power March future at Rs 1,379 for a target price of Rs 1,410 and the stop loss is to be placed at Rs 1,370 for a lot size of 200. And long GMR Infrastructure March future at Rs 57.80 for a target price of Rs 64 and the stop loss is to be placed at Rs 54 for a lot size of 2,500. Thank you and have a great day ahead.